Hello friends, you're watching Team Knowledge channel, and in this how to video I'm gonna show you how you can fix headphone jack not working or earphones not connecting problem in Vivo X70 Pro or X70 Pro Plus. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So if you're facing headphone jack not working or earphones are not connecting with your Vivo X70 Pro or Pro Plus, first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.